In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit resume on Glassdoor. If you've updated your experience or polished your formatting and want that reflected on your Glassdoor profile, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click, so your resume is current and ready for employers. First, sign into your Glassdoor account. Use your usual login details and make sure you're on the homepage once you're in. From there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the profile icon. This opens a menu with a few profile options. Choose either resume and experience or job preferences. Both will take you to the area where you manage your resume details. On that page, scroll until you find the resume section. This is where your current file is stored. You're not editing the document directly on Glassdoor. Instead, you're replacing the existing file with a new version from your computer. When you're ready, select Upload Resume. Pick the updated file you've already saved. PDF is often a safe choice for preserving formatting, but Doc or DocX works too if you plan to tailor it often. After the file uploads, Glassdoor will show a quick preview. Take a moment to confirm everything looks correct. Your name, dates, headings, and spacing. When it matches what you expect, click Looks good to save the new version. If you're using a synced profile on Glassdoor, you'll see an option to make your resume visible to employers. This is completely optional. Turn this on if you want recruiters to be able to find your resume directly through Glassdoor. Leave it off if you prefer to keep your resume private and only share it when you apply. By the way, if you need quick access, I've placed a link to Glassdoor right at the top of the description so you can jump straight to the site and follow along. A few quick tips as you finalize your update: keep your file name simple and professional, like first name, last name, resume.pdf, so it's easy to identify. Make sure your contact details are current, double check dates and job titles for accuracy, and consider using clear headings and bullet formatting in the document itself to help applicant tracking systems parse your information. Remember, every time you upload, you're replacing the previous file, so keep your latest version handy. That's all there is to it. Sign in, go to your profile, upload the new file, confirm it, and set visibility if that's available to you. Thanks for watching.